In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books, a comprehensive accounting software that's perfect for beginners in 2023. Whether you're a small business owner or just dabbling in accounting, Zoho Books provides a user-friendly platform to manage your finances effectively. Let me walk you through the essential steps to get started with this amazing tool, ensuring you're all set up and comfortable navigating its features. First, let's get you to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Books page. This is where we'll begin our journey into exploring all its features. Now, once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, you'll want to look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, easily visible. Clicking on it will take you to the Sign In page. If you don't have an existing account, this is where you'll need to create one. Simply follow the prompts to set it up, ensuring you have access to the email address you'll be using. After signing in or setting up your account, you'll land on the Zoho Books homepage. This is your main hub for all things accounting related. It's here that you get a panoramic view of all the features Zoho Books has to offer. If you're managing a business, you'll find this place quite useful as it gives you quick access to all the essential tools you'll need. Have a look around and familiarize yourself with the interface. Don't worry about getting lost. Zoho Books is designed to be intuitive. Next, we'll dive into the dashboard. The dashboard is like your control center, providing an overview of your financial health. You'll find it packed with valuable insights from cash flow details to expense tracking, among other features. Spend some time exploring this section to understand how you can benefit from the real-time analytics it offers. The dashboard can be customized to display the information that is most relevant to you, so take advantage of that personalization. At this point, you may want to delve into other areas offered by Zoho Books, such as invoices, bank statements, and reports. Each section is designed to streamline your workflows, allowing you to spend more time growing your business rather than managing complex accounting tasks. As you explore, keep an eye out for tools that might specifically cater to your business needs. To sum up, Zoho Books is a powerful tool that with just a few simple steps can help manage your finances efficiently. Remember, the more you use it, the more efficient you'll become with your business's financial management. So take your time exploring, and soon enough you'll be navigating Zoho Books like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best in your journey with Zoho Books.